Why do some animals eat their own poop? You might think they're just dirty, but actually many do it to reclaim nutrients they missed. I'm Mia, a wildlife biologist, and I'll show you why they need those nutrients again. But why would an animal need to get those nutrients again? Even if the first pass digests food, some vitamins and proteins slip through. Mia notes that animals eat their own poop to reclaim those lost nutrients. But if nutrients are the reason, what else could motivate this behavior? Beyond nutrients, the gut needs the right microbes to break down tough plant fibers. Mia discovers that coprophagy supplies those essential bacteria. How does this microbial help affect the animal's health overall? A richer gut flora means food is broken down more completely, squeezing extra energy from every bite. Mia sketches a simple cycle showing food turning into energy via microbes. Are there species that rely on this behavior as a normal part of their life? It isn't a rare quirk. Dung beetles spend their lives on dung, and rabbits and pigs routinely re-ingest their waste. Mia watches a beetle roll a ball of dung. What does this tell us about the evolutionary advantage of eating one's own waste? All this shows that eating poop gives a backup nutrient source and keeps the gut healthy, a clear survival edge when food is scarce. Mia signs off with the answer. That's why some animals eat their own poop. But then, what does this tell us about the evolutionary advantage of eating one's own waste? Mia discovers that eating its own poop isn't a disease marker, but an adaptive recycling system. The animal re-ingests missed nutrients, turning waste into fuel. But if it's an adaptive recycling, what other benefits might it provide beyond nutrition? Mia wonders why this trick isn't just a luxury for well-fed animals. In fact, it supplies extra calories when food runs low, giving a clear survival edge. If it shapes ecosystems, why do some animals eat only their own waste while others eat others? Mia sees that eating waste isn't just personal, it fuels ecosystems. Dung beetles spend their lives turning feces into rich soil, feeding plants, and closing the loop. What does this diversity tell us about the evolutionary pressure behind coprophagy? Mia learns that not all coprophagy is alike. Rabbits and pigs reclaim their own waste for nutrients, while dung beetles specialize in consuming others' dung to recycle it for the environment. Why do some animals eat their own poop? Because coprophagy is a clever form of recycling. Animals reclaim missed nutrients and essential microbes, giving them a backup energy source when food is scarce. Mia sees how this hidden strategy fuels survival across species. That's the whole story at a glance. Now you know, draw me the world.